Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about a special day of my life. Number 1. My 7th birthday was the most special day of my life. Number 2. My family and friends were all there. Number 3. I received wonderful gifts and surprises. Number 4. Blowing out the candles felt like a dream. Number 5. Music played and we danced with joy. Number 6. I felt truly loved and blessed. Number 7. Hugs and smiles filled my heart with happiness. Number 8. I did not want the day to end. Number 9. Every moment felt magical and fun. Number 10. It was the best birthday ever. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.